destiny. The four-sided square is a symbol of this number, and you will prove it in everything you do. The square block is the foundation of all things, and that is the course you will take, building everything from a firm, logical, and lasting foundation. You will not reach out for the fleeting things of life, but tend to settle only for those that will reward you with lasting benefits. You have a great head for details and can make even the most boring, mundane jobs pay off with a measure of success. You can keep your head when all others around you lose theirs. Take this for what it is worth and channel it properly. Preserve when others have tired or lose interest, and you will receive your just rewards. You must learn to evaluate every idea or project you are involved with and not get carried away with the blue sky aspects of them. Think clearly and stand firm where your logic dictates. Never a wanderer, you prefer to live and work in one place after you have adjusted to it. You work best when you have a sense of permanence to hang on to. A four destiny is one of justice, equality, and practicality. You will spend your life working toward your goal. Even when you attain what you think you want, you will go on and lay foundations for other acquisitions. Always working, always building, so goes a four, but you are well prepared for it and with a great capacity for patience. Method, logic, and loyalty are the tools with which you work, and this wonderful combination will bring you and yours all the material possessions you desire. Details, duty, and conservatism may restrict you in a sense, except when applied in the most practical way. You will find yourself so boggled down with details at times that you may lose sight of the overall picture. In that case, it will be wise to allow yourself to flow with the tide and accept the thoughts and opinions of more experienced people. This may apply to raising a family as well as managing a business. Insisting that your ideas are the most practical can hinder your progress, so learn to listen and weigh everything before you tell yourself and others that your way is the only way. Always ready to take on anything, you never shrink your duties. When dependability is required, you are the ideal person to do the job. As a mate, this bodes well for your marriage and in the upbringing of children, in whom you can imbue this spirit. You can take any idea, concept, or design, and in your practical way, bring it to life. Express yourself whenever the opportunity presents itself, both in business or in home. As a homemaker, you can adapt the design of any decorator or artist and bring beauty and easy living into your home. Stubbornness, narrow-mindedness, jealousy, envy, and stinginess are the black side of your character.